Fatty liver, the most common complaint that we are seeing nowadays. Even if the patient is not having any complaints, any symptoms at all, such a patient, if subjected to such a person, if he is subjected to ultrasound, then around 60 to 70% of the people will show this complaint. That is the fatty liver. It could be first grade or second grade, or it could be of third grade. Then what is the reason for this fatty liver? If you ask the doctors or some people, what they say is this is because of excessive fat intake. One thing what they say is excessive fat intake as well as excessive oil consumption. And some of the people say that it is because of excessive alcohol intake, and some of the doctors say that it is because of excessive intake of the processed food, excessive intake of the fried food as well as the packaged food. But all these reasons what they are telling is it's a fake, it's not true. Then what is the reason? What is causing this fatty liver? See, young people as well as the children will not be having this fatty liver. Children, small children as well as the younger individuals around 20 to 25 years will not be having this fatty liver. But after the age, after certain age, that is after the age of 30 years, people started developing this fatty liver. So it is not there in children's, but it's seen among the people above 30 years. Then what could be the reason? First, there are three reasons. So first is the metabolism. The metabolism will be high, it will be fast among the children as well as in young individuals. But it gets the cellular metabolism gets reduced, it gets slowed down among the people above the age of 30 years. Second, in this metabolism, the younger individuals will be more active, so metabolism will be faster, whereas after the age of 30 years the people become more sedentary, they will be less active. Second, the metabolism gets reduced. So when the metabolism is reduced, fat accumulation will be more, energy will not be utilized, the nutrients will not be utilized for energy, and it gets stored as a fat. So first reason is decreased metabolism among the people who are more inactive, that is above the age of 30 years. Second reason is increased intake of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the only source of energy for our cells, and our body know this. So what it does, it stores whatever the excess carbohydrate that we consume, the body recognizes it and stores it for future use. How it stores? It can't store it as a glucose, so it stores it this glucose as a fat. So fat is nothing but the storage form of glucose, or the storage form of carbohydrate is called as a fat. So where does this body store this fat? 85% of this fat will be stored underneath the skin, beneath the skin, that is the subcutaneous fat. It accounts for about 85%. And another 15% will be stored deep inside in the sense in the internal organs. So first is the liver, it gets stored in the liver. Not only in the liver, it gets stored in other organs also, like in the around the kidney, around the heart also it gets stored. That means to say, if someone is having a fatty liver, it doesn't mean that fat is only there in the liver, but fat will also be there in the kidney as well as in the heart. Third reason is frequent eating. So what does this frequent eating causes? Every time, each time when we consume the nutrients, when we consume any food which will be having certain nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins as well as the fat, so this gets metabolized and produces metabolic byproducts. So metabolic byproducts like a urea, uric acid as well as the creatine. Whatever the food you consume will be having the nutrients, and almost all those food will produce this metabolic byproducts. So the liver, which functions as a detoxifying organ, it tries to remove all these metabolic byproducts. Urea, uric acid as well as the creatinine will be removed by this liver. So more times you keep eating, the more times the metabolic byproducts will be produced, and more times the liver has to work and detoxify the body. So more frequent eating puts more physical stress, physical pressure on the liver, making the liver cells much weaker. So once the liver cells become weak, they cannot mobilize the fat that gets stored in the liver. So fat keeps on collecting in the liver. This is the third and the main reason for having this fatty liver. So what is the solution for this one? I said the three reasons One is the metabolism. So how to improve the metabolism? When the metabolism is slow, the fat accumulation will be more. So how to improve our metabolism? We need to stay active. We need to stay physically more active. One thing. Second thing is reduce intake of a carbohydrate. So when I say reduce intake of carbohydrate, it doesn't mean that you need to increase the protein content. That will be much more dangerous. How to reduce the carbohydrate is substituting this carbohydrate with the fiber. The food which has less carbohydrate and more fiber is vegetable. Your food must be having at least 60 to 70% of vegetables, which prevents this accumulation of fat in the liver. So next, third reason is more frequent eating is causing this fatty liver. So reduce this eating to less than or equal to 2 meals a day. When we restrict this food intake, that is a nutrient intake, any form of a nutrient intake or any liquid intake which is having any form of nutrients to 2 times or less than 2 times, then there won't be accumulation of fat in our body. So there won't be any fatty liver. If you need a precise and scientific information about health, then only subscribe to our channel. Namaste.